What's the meaning of adjournment? Adjournment. 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 Adjournment is the act of postponing a meeting, trial, or other legal proceeding to another time or place. This means that the current session or hearing is suspended or delayed until a later specified date, or indefinitely. The purpose of adjournment is to allow all parties involved to prepare and gather more evidence before continuing with the proceedings. It also gives the judge, jury, attorneys or any other legal professionals involved some time to consider decisions or verdicts. In short, an adjournment is a temporary pause in legal proceedings, allowing them to resume at a later time.